The video begins with an energetic burst of excitement as Tom Thomas rushes into his room holding a bright science worksheet. He drops his backpack on the floor and stares at the long, complicated word printed at the top. His eyebrows fold in confusion as he takes a deep breath and tries to pronounce it. Something. He mutters, stumbling over the strange letters. He tries again, slower this time, but the word twists his tongue each time he gets close. Tom sighs dramatically, wondering why science needs words that look like they belong in space. Inside the apartment walls, the Fixies hear Tom's frustrated voice echoing through the room. Simka and Nolik quickly pop out, curious about what could possibly be giving Tom such a hard time today. They notice the paper in his hands and immediately zoom closer to read the enormous word themselves. Nolik's eyes widen, and he tilts his head, trying to figure it out. Simka smiles confidently, explaining that the word is simply deoxyribonucleic acid, better known as DNA. Nolik blinks, impressed, and tries to repeat it himself, but the syllables tangle together. Even for a Fixie, it's a mouthful. Tom looks at Simka with disbelief, wondering how she said it so easily. She explains that DNA is the code inside every living thing, a tiny instruction book that tells bodies how to grow, how to look, and how to work. Tom finds the concept fascinating, imagining little microscopic pages flipping inside his cells. But still, the word itself seems impossible. He practices slowly, repeating each part as Simka breaks it into pieces. Deoxy, she says. Tom copies her. Ribo, she continues. He repeats. Nucleic acid. Tom takes a deep breath and gives it a try, stumbling at the last second, causing Nolik to laugh and fall over dramatically. Determined not to be defeated by a word, Tom grabs a cup of water, clears his throat, and stands as if preparing to deliver a speech. Simka shows him a trick, clapping for each syllable to keep the rhythm. They all try together, clapping along as they chant the word. Tom starts to get better, his confidence building as the sounds become clearer. Nolik adds silly dances to make the practice more fun, and Tom joins in, laughing as the three of them move around the room chanting the long scientific name. After several attempts, Tom tries saying the entire word in one breath. He gets almost all the way through before his tongue twists again, sending him into a fit of giggles. Simka assures him that even grown scientists sometimes say it wrong, which makes Tom feel a little better. She explains that understanding DNA is more important than pronouncing it perfectly. Still, Tom wants to master it, insisting that he won't quit until he can say it smoothly. Nolik suggests turning it into a challenge, with each of them taking turns saying the word faster and faster. Tom loves the idea, and they begin a friendly competition. Tom goes first, managing to say it better than before. Nolik tries next, but the word escapes him halfway through. Simka, as expected, says it perfectly, but Tom swears he's getting closer every time. The game fills the room with laughter and determination. After a final round of practice, Tom stands tall, takes a deep breath, and gives it one more try. This time, the word rolls off his tongue almost perfectly, deoxyribonucleic acid. His eyes widen, shocked at his own success. Simka cheers, Nolik spins excitedly, and Tom pumps his fist in the air, proud of his hard-earned victory. He can't believe he finally said it, not once, but clearly enough that the Fixies applaud him loudly. With his newfound confidence, Tom looks back at his assignment and finishes the worksheet with a smile. He feels like he unlocked a secret level in science, understanding not only the meaning of DNA but also proving to himself that even the hardest words can be learned with practice, patience, and a little help from friends. As the Fixies retreat back into hiding, Tom whispers the word one more time, just to enjoy hearing himself say it correctly. He grins, knowing that next time science throws a challenge his way, he'll be ready.